This is your 1-Minute Coder News from the Voice of Custom Coding. According to Powder Tough Magazine's latest article, Axel Nobel has opened a new research and development lab dedicated to low-cure powder coatings. The new center will be pioneering products for the rapidly growing segment of powder on wood. Located in Como, Italy, the facility features an applications lab, an analytical and testing lab, dedicated to delivering low-cure powder coatings. This follows a recent acquisition of Stahl's powder coating, which gave Axel access to solutions including a unique UV technology. This will enable customers to use less energy during production, gain speed in processing, and boost their own sustainability profile. And that's been your 1-Minute Coder News. See you next time.